Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halan wa salan, my Arabic learners. Welcome to another part of Learn Arabic. Now, inshallah, in today's video, we are going to be talking about the nominals, let's say the nominal sentence. That is ismu, al-jumlatul ismiya. That is the nominal sentence. We have the nominal sentence. Jumlatul ismiya, nominal. That's a nominal sentence. That is jumlatu al-ismiya. Jumlatu al-ismiya. Then this is the jumla, that is the sentence we have. You have ash-shari'u wasi'u. Ash-shari'u wasi'u. This is that it means that the street is wide. Ash-shari'u, that is the street. Wasi'u, wide. That is ash-shari'u wasi'u. Ash-shari'u wasi'u. So this is the jumlatu. You have the mubtada. This is the shari'u, which is the mubtada. Then the khabaru, that is the predicate. Khabaru means what? Predicate. It is what? The wasi'u is the khabaru. And then the mubtada, it must be definite. The mubtada must be definite. That is, it must have alifun and lam. That's for the definite. Then why the khabaru, that is the predicate, it must be indefinite. That is, it doesn't have alif and lam. But for the mubtada means what? The topic or subject. The topic, it means the topic or subject. That is what it means by, that's the meaning of a mubtada. The mubtada'u, it means the topic or subject. Then the khabaru, that is the predicate. The khabaru must be what? It must be indefinite. Why this one? Why the mubtada must be what? Definite. Now we have ash-shari'u wasi'u. That ash-shari'u. That ash-shari'u. Ash-shari'u. That is what? Ash-shari'u wasi'u. That is, the street is wide. It means the streets. Ash-shari'u means what? Street. It means the street is wide. Ash-shari'u wasi'u. The street is wide. Now, that is, the street is wide. I'm talking about what? Ash-shari'u wasi'u. That's the translation of ash-shari'u wasi'u is what? The street is wide. Now we have the second, which is Ahmadu min al-Yaman. Ahmad min al-Yaman. That is, Ahmad is from Yaman. Ahmad min al-Yaman. Ahmad min al-Yaman. That is Ahmad. Ahmadu min al-what? Min al-Yaman. Ahmadu min al-Yaman. This is the mubtada. That is Ahmad, which is what? That is the topic. That is the topic, but it is not definite. It doesn't have alif and lam, because you cannot say al-ahmadu. You will say Ahmad. Ahmad is a name. That's Ahmad is a noun. That is the topic, the subject. That is the what? This in the mubtada. That's Ahmadu. The min al-Yaman, that is the khabar. That is the predicate, is the khabaru. The khabaru. The min al-Yaman. Min al-Yaman is what? Is the khabaru. That is the predicate, which is what? Which is the khabaru. That is min al-Yamanu. That's min al-Yamanu. Min al-Yamanu. That's min al-Yaman. That is Ahmad min al-Yaman. Ahmad, that is the topic. That is the subject. Min al-Yaman, that is the predicate. That is the khabaru. Now you have the third one, which is al-bintu jamilatun. Al-bintu jamilatun. That is the girl is beautiful. Al-bintu jamilatun. Al-bintu jamilatun. That is al-bintu. Al-bintu. This is the khabarun. This is the mubtada. That is the mubtada. That is the what? The subject, or you say the topic. That is al-bintu. Al-bintu jamilatun. That is, the girl is beautiful. The khabarun, that is the predicate, is what? The khabarun of bintu is what? Jamilatun, which is the what? Which is the predicate. We say the predicate, that is jamilatun. That is jamilatun. That is a Jamilatu. Al-bintu Jamilatu. That is Al-bintu Jamilatu. The daughter is beautiful. That is the predicate. That is the khabaru. The shari' the mubtada is what? It's Al-bintu. That is the topic. This is the topic. Al-bintu. Then the khabaru, the predicate is the Jamilatu. Now we have kitabi fi shantatu. Kitabi fi shantatu. Kitabi, that is a kitabi, that is it means my book. That is kitabi fi shantatu. Kitabi, this is the topic, that is the subject, the mubtada'u. It means my book is in the bag. My book is in the bag. Kitabi fi ashantatu. Kitabi fi ashantatu. Ashantatu means what? Bag. Fi ashantatu, that is the predicate. The predicate of kitabi, that is the khabar. The predicate of kitabi is what? Fi shantatu, that is in the bag. That is fi shantatu. Fi ashantatu. Fi ashantatu, that is in the bag. My book is in the bag. Kitabi fi ashantatu. My book is in the bag. Ashantatu means what? Bag. Now we have Khalid Marid. Khalidu Marid. That is a Khalidu. Khalidu Marid. That is the mubtada. That is the subject, the topic. That's a Khalid. Khalid Marid. Khalid is sick. Marid, that is sick. We have Khalidu Marid. That is Khalid is sick. Khalid is what? Sick. That's how we have Khalid. Khalidun. That is the mubtada. That is the beginning. That is the topic. That the topic. That is the subject. The subject is what? Khalid. Now the predicate. The khabaru is what? Marid. Khalid is sick. Sick is the khabaru. Sick is the predicate of what? Of Khalid. Khalidin. That is Marid. Khalid is sick. Now we have Khalidun. The predicate is what? The predicate is Marid. Khabarun. That is Khabarun. The news about the what? About Khalid. Khalid is sick. That is the predicate. The Khabarun of Khalid is what? Marid. That's we have the Marid, which is the predicate. You have Marid. That is Marid. Now we have Ana Muhandisu. Ana Muhandisu. That is what? Ana Muhandis. I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer. Ana Muhandisu. Muhandisu. That is what? Muhandisu means engineer. Then Ana, which is the personal pronoun. Pronoun. We have that is the pronoun. Ana Muhandisu. Muhandisu. Ana Muhandisu. That's Ana. That is what? That is the mubtada. The mubtada. That is the subject. Then the khabarun of Ana Muhandis. I'm an engineer. Ana Muhandisu. I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer. That's my what? That is my professional work. That is I'm an engineer. Ana Muhandisu. Ana Muhandisu. I'm an engineer. That is Ana Muhandisu. That's Ana. That is the mubtada, the subject, or the subject, or you say the topic. That's Ana. Ana. Then Muhandisu. We have Muhandisu. Ana Muhandisu. Ana Muhandisu. Now, Ana Muhandis, that is Ana Muhandis. I'm an engineer. Now, we have Sayaratu Ali Jaridatu. Ali's car is what is new. Sayaratu Aliju. Aliju. That is Aliju. Is Aliju. Sayaratu Ali Jaridatu. That is Ali's car is beautiful. I'm sorry. Jaridatu. That is new. Ali's car is new. Ali's car is new. That is Ali's car is new. That is Sayaratu Ali Jadid. Sayaratu. That is Sayaratu. That is Sayaratu. You have the Sayara, which is what? Which is the Sayara. That is car. Sayaratu, which is the mubtada. That is Sayaratu. Sayaratu Aliju Jadidin. That is Ali's car is beautiful. Then Jadid. That is a jadid. Jadid is what? Jadid is the khabar of aliska. That is jadidatun. Jadid, the new. That is new. New. This is ka. Then I want to give the khabar of that car. You see that I say sayaratu qadim. That is sayaratu qadimatu. That is the car is old. Or you see that I say sayaratu ali qadimatu. That is Ali's car is old. So the qadim is what? Is the khabarun of sayara. That is the predicate of sayarat is what? Qadimat. But here, the predicate of what? Of sayarat. Sayarat is the what? Is the mubtada, the topic or the subject. Or you say is that you say the topic or you say the subject. Now the jadidat is what? Is the predicate. That is the predicate of what? The predicate of sayaratu is what? Jadidatu. Now jadid. Jadidatu. That is a jadidatu. That's a jadidatu. That's a khabarun, predicate. That is the predicate of what? Of sayara. Of sayarat. Sayaratu. So of sayaratu. So follow me for more videos. So this is what we have for today's class. Follow me for more videos. If this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. See me in my next video. Assalamu alaikum.